Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Miss Oyo from Kenya, guys, in Africa, and I've been away for some time, but now I'm back, guys. And today I'm going to cook chapatis, and let me show you the ingredients that I have, guys. I have my flour, I have my cooking oil. I'm going to use warm water, and I have salt here, and I have a basin for mixing the ingredients. So please, if you are new here, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So let's do this, guys. So I have already my flour inside the basin, and now I'm going to add in cooking oil. Yeah, so I'm adding cooking oil. Yeah, so after that I'm going to add in pinch of salt. That is salt I'm adding in. Yeah, I'm going to mix the cooking oil and the salt. Going to mix well. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And after that, I'm now going to start adding warm water. Yeah, I love using warm water, so I'm going to mix well until the mixture forms a dough. So let's do this, guys. Okay guys, my chapatis are here, and guys, what do you think? Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are a new subscriber, and for the returning subscriber, guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Till we meet again, bye.